Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Nadula Hair again. This is the wig that we're working with for today. This is a like reddish vibe that's going on with the color, and this is a gorgeous 7x5 lace closure HD lace closure glueless wig, guys. Glueless wigs, I don't know, around the place odd. This is pre-plucked, pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-plucked, you know, pre-styled, because look at these curls. This is a body wave, but these curls are done so perfect for you. The color is gorgeous, especially for the winter time. Yeah, man, this is beautiful, stunning, and the hair is very full. It's 24 inches long, by the way. I'll definitely be sure to put the density in the description box, so go ahead, check that out. And I can tell you that, oh, by the way, in the packaging I did get this extra elastic band. It's adjustable, so you can go ahead and apply it to the inside of the cap. But this is how the inside of the cap looks. It has the loops that you can go ahead and attach the elastic band, and then it has these adjustable bands in the cap as well, and this non-slip silicone strip, so that helps with also keeping the wig on your head, being that it's glueless. No glue, no adhesive needed for this install. They only applied one comb, so this is for the back for when you apply it, you know, and I like when they have the comb in the back so it can really stay secured to the back of your head. And yeah, that's how it looks. I love the feel, I love the look, as I say. Yeah, man, it is gorgeous, feels very full. I love the movement, and most of all, it's glueless. You guys know I do love a good glueless wig. I show you guys so much options when it comes down to glueless wigs. So let's go ahead and get into this quick installation. I love to do is always like crisscross the bands in the back of the cap, so that this really ensures like the wig being super snugged on your head, and you just go ahead and adjust it to how tight or loose you want it, because of course you don't want to get like a headache. So don't make it too tight to the point where you're getting a headache, but just tight enough to be like very secure. So I've done that. I'm also going to go ahead and add the adjustable strap that I got. This is it, and you can go ahead and just slip it on. So right off the bat, after doing all of that, oh my gosh, it is very secure in my head. All right, so let me go ahead and give it a shake test so you guys can see. This isn't slipping, okay? It's not slipping, it's not going anywhere. Now I'm pretty sure you can see that there is a little bit of cast in the front, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove the portion where there's absolutely no hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a very tiny portion of lace that has absolutely no hair on it. So I like to just get really close and cut away that portion, and you see that looks much better already. I love the wide space with you know, a wig like this where it is 7x5, this large space to work with when it comes down to a closure, because it just makes things way more flexible. Like you could easily switch the parting up, you could, you know, part it within where the lace is, and you know, you could get a nice deep side part you know, or even if you want to, you know, put braids in it, you could do that. This color is so gorgeous. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get a little bit of powder to conceal the front here even more, so it looks really nice and melted. No baby hairs needed, no swoops needed, and you're gonna look bomb. And then it's already curled. All I need to do is go in with my hot comb at the top, get it really nice and flat, and that's gonna be it. So I'm gonna just pat it in. And that's literally it. That's literally all you need to do. And now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb light. This looks so good. It is so optional too. If you don't want to go in with the hot comb and flatten the top down any further, you don't have to, but it's just my personal preference. This, you see how, if you don't know anything about wigs, it's so easy for you to finesse. You literally don't have to stress. Okay, get the wax, and you know, just a little bit at the top. And when your hot comb is heated up, take your time and just get that really nice and laid. And that's it. That is it. I'll just use my fingers to finger comb this. You see that I didn't even have to go back over this with my curling iron or anything. Literally, I'm just combing through this with my fingers, because that's the vibe I want to, like, I want that nice big curly, like, wavy vibe, you know. This is just always so gorgeous to me. Nadula, continuously, they're just stepping up their game, and that I'm completely here for. So there is a bit of shedding. I don't know if you guys can see, this is literally 2 strands, literally, so it's minimal. Minimal, like, and shedding is expected, but it's definitely not excessive, so we can get with that. That is gorgeous. This is how we're looking. Oh my gosh, that is it. That is it. A pre-everything reddish, pre-everything reddish gingerish body wave glueless wig, HD lace closure glueless wig. Like, what more could you ask for? This is beautiful. It's really beautiful. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, because it's doing what it's supposed to do, like being absolutely glueless. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. All the specifications will be listed down below. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Nadula.